I forgot that my ND filter was loose, and so it fell down the cliff and I actually don't know where it is. But regardless, take a look at the view. Take a look at that. So close. Let's do it.
다음번에 한번 와야겠어요.
We're gonna head up, I believe. We'll be heading up that way real quickly. We've been hiking for about an hour and 8, and that's starting at the transit stop that we got off of, which is a subway station. And we're heading up towards the peak. According to AllTrails, distance-wise, we're definitely over halfway there. And so the elevation's already been pretty steep so far. A lot of steps, a lot of high steps, a lot of scrambling, a lot of rocks. But I think the rest of the way is going to be a little bit more scenic, so it'll be easier to make the way up there. Elevation gain 280 meters, so that means we still got a bit of a ways to go. 안녕하세요. It seems that the higher and higher we get up the trail, the more and more people we encounter. I assume a lot of people are just spending time at the peak. What's surprising me, considering how early we got here, was how many people are already on their way down. Meaning that if they were coming from anywhere near where we were coming from, they got here super early. So the original hike I wanted to do was the Peak's main trail, which actually enters the park on the west side and makes its way out of the east side, which is where we actually enter this time. We're actually just going to be hiking in east side and then hiking right back out the way we came from. Still got a bit of a ways to go. A lot of it has just been scrambling up these rocks. I think the trail runners were a good move. I think grip has been super important. Probably would be even more important if it was wet, after some rainfall. So far, the wind hasn't been too heavy. It hasn't been too hot. Actually, a lot of the path is covered by trees. It really is just the elevation that kind of gets you. I think you can see it, but I've got the Peak Design capture clip on me, which has been, in my opinion, absolutely essential for this trip. Being able to snap my camera back on and off as I walk through the streets. Even on this hike, having it connected to my backpack has been super useful. When I was taking the pocket out of my pocket just now, I forgot that my ND filter was loose, and so it fell down the cliff and I actually don't know where it is. But regardless, I'm standing on top of a rock just a little bit off the path. Take a look at that. This might be the last update before the peak. So we're approaching now. AllTrails tells us that we are, much less under half a kilometer left until we get up there. But from where I'm sitting, I can see not the peak we're headed to, but I think, there's rock climbers on the wall. I'll put the footage in right now as I zoom into these rock climbers. This guy's leading the pitch. Guy in the red is maybe belaying him from the bottom, looks like.
That's crazy.
It doesn't look like the spot they're on is too steep, but I can't even imagine what their view looks like right now. We're gonna keep going, and I think next check-in is gonna be right at the top. See you there. There you go.
That'll be fine. Maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you
So much. Thanks.
That is right now. Oh, cool.
Right over there.
Fly up here and then fly down.
Yeah. Casual, right?